Oh my god. Josh. Wait, ready? Okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh, who was that?
That was me.
Oh wow, that's pro gamer, dude. Oh wow. Good job, Paige.
I just aim it.
We're just doing this at the same time now. Okay, ready? Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
If it was Spencer, I would get a bullseye.
Haha, I actually flew it straight. Yay.
I'm gonna try to catch the man.
3, 2, 1. Yeah. Haha. Can I have my favorite airplane back? Thank you.
Playing catch at this point. This is an experiment to just a game of catch. What's yours?
Failed catches
Oh, I
at this
can-
point. That's how it works. I'm guessing that was yours. I don't know. It's the first thing I saw. It's so sad. Go. I would like my paper airplane back. Thank you very much. Oh.
Here, can I see that? See that?
Okay. Go. Go, Josh.
My aim is true.
Aim is true.
Let's shoot.
Let's see if your aim is true. You hit the wall though.
The wall.
The wall still counts. It's fine.